Hey Joe, Daniel here from Sunvisor Isuzu Trucks. Just wanted to send you a quick video to introduce myself and also show you around the FWR 110 tipper. So Joe, here you have the Isuzu FWR 110-240 factory tipper. So it's an 11-ton GVM with 240 horsepower out of the 5.2 litre turbo diesel twin turbo. Body length, I think you're sort of concerned about that. You're looking at about 4.5 metres internal with a carrying capacity of about 5.8 tonne carrying capacity, legal carrying capacity. So with the tipper body, the factory tipper body, Joe, you've got a standard two-way tailgate. So once you tilt it as it is now, that back tailgate opens up. But if you're loading a machine onto the back of it, you can sort of undo that little latch, swing the tailgate open, load it up, and then pack it away as you need it. Really handy, really popular part of the factory tipper. Another couple of features of the factory tipper is you get full length rope rails to tie off your loads, and you've got a standard factory body lock. So when that comes down, that little latch there, that one there, sort of locks the body in and secures the body from, if your load shifts, the body's not going to lift up and dump onto the load when you don't want to. You get a standard little toolbox there, okay, for ropes and straps and chains and stuff like that. Gloves all fit in there. 200 litre fuel tank, standard. Now with all Isuzu products, Joe, you do get a 6-year warranty, 6-year roadside assistance. You do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. All trucks nowadays have air conditioning and stuff like that as well. So yeah, just a brief overview of the FWR tipper that you acquired on. So Joe, there's a quick little snapshot of the truck. If you've got any questions, please give me a call. Or anything else you want to sort of know about the truck, give me a buzz. Cheers, thank you.